everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've been with us for a while, we're really glad to have you back. And if you're new, we're glad to have you here today. If you could subscribe, that would really help us out a lot so that we can continue to make videos in the future. Today we're actually doing, don't laugh because I know you're gonna, December's Boxycharm. Did I do a December's Boxycharm? I did. But with the strike, my November Boxycharm, because I ordered it like November 31st, I assumed it was December, but they just decided, I guess, as a bonus to send me November. So I didn't really read the paperwork very closely, and I reviewed November's. Now, I was going to skip December because it's the end of December, but I thought to make a continuing story of my Boxycharm monthly subscription that I would actually do the December. That way I can have, you know, every month this year consistently. So let's get to the video. Okay, so here's the thing. We're not going to show you the bottom because that's for a dress. I'm opening it. Big surprise, 'tis the season. Hey, I actually just got back from the Rotan, Honduras, and I will be doing a vlog on our trip. My husband's just gonna put that together. So I did some sea sun this year. Okay, so let's see what we got. Big surprise. My dog is making noise. Ew. I have no idea. I'm blind, I can't see. We'll go with the flow. Let's take out the first thing. It is Pretty Vulgar setting powder. Packaging is actually really pretty. Let's look inside. Ooh, look, a little pom-pom. So cute. Okay, let's look inside and see. Ooh, that like gives you the chills a little bit. No smell. Let's see. Let's do that a little bit. Let's get a brush from over here. Let's just grab whatever. It doesn't really matter. Ooh. Feels soft. Yes, I'm new at this. Don't laugh. Don't make fun of me. By next December, I'll be much better. I like this. This is nice, actually. It's quite soft. Very nice. Let's see. Oh, it actually gives the price as well. Translucent setting powder, and it is $32. Or shall I say it's worth $32. Very nice. Let's put that away. Great, got it on my pants. Okay, the next thing is, I have no idea the look on this thing. Oh, it's a charcoal mask by Cosmetics. I know I've not done this one before. And I guess it doesn't really matter if I open it because it's not like I'm going to be doing a facial mask sitting here with you right now. You get 13 ounces or 37 grams. Pretty decent size actually, don't you think? I think so. I'm impressed. The next item in our box is Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint by Tarte Cosmetics. So let's get this puppy open. You know, I'm blind, right? Like, it's really, really sad. The charcoal mask actually was $30. I forgot to say that. And the lip paint is $20. Ooh, it's pretty. I think it's a lip gloss though, which I don't wear. I think that's a young girl thing, although maybe not. I don't know. I don't personally use it. I kind of prefer matte. I can't tell the color because, like I said, can't see. There you go. It's very pretty. Okay, time to see what else we have. Okay, we have a lip pencil by Bodyography in the color Heatherberry. Let's see. Doesn't really show up on me very well, I don't think. Can you see it? I can't see it. I mean, I guess I should get a little mirror. That might help. Yeah, it doesn't really show up on me very well at all. So I'm not sure if I like this very much for myself. I think different colored lips, you know, it might look really, really pretty on. For me, not so much. But Bodyography, nice. So fifth and final thing. I feel so stupid doing this at the end of December. But like I said, I do want to keep a consistent, you know, consecutive December, January, I guess November, because I've done November. And yes, I will fix that in my video lineup. Oh, by Suva Beauty. It is the Protégé eyeshadow palette. Wow, I got an eyeshadow palette in November, didn't I? Very nice. Suva Beauty is nice. Oh. There you go. Oh, I should probably push that back like that instead of glaring it in your eyeballs, right? Okay, so we're going to try swatching again and see if I can actually do this correctly. No idea. So I'm thinking these almost look like highlighters, don't you think? The ones on the ends? I mean, I guess I could make a couple of looks out of this. I did like last month's better though, I must admit. But still, let's do some swatches. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. That is really pretty. I really actually quite like that. I actually think that would look lovely on my daughter for highlight. Or maybe even eyeshadow, I don't know. But it is very soft. Very soft indeed. The next one, and that was called Era, actually. The next one is called Theory. So let's give that one a little swatch. Ooh, that one's pretty too. I really hope you can see these because otherwise I'll be doing it again. I'm so dumb. But I'm getting better. I'm trying. A little bit trying. Okay, so now we're going on to the little round ones. The first one is a matte and it's called Poetic. Poetic. Ooh, that one actually is kind of soft as well. Okay, that doesn't show up. Let's try that again. I'm not sure if you can even see that. I'm having a hard time seeing it. It would be a really nice base though for shadow. So it's not terrible. It's actually quite nice, I think. Okay, the next one is this one that I'll swatch, which is called Tact. That one doesn't want to show up either. And trust me, I am digging in this thing pretty intensely. Can you see that? I guess that one would also make a good base, but it's really not that noticeable, but I don't have a primer down. So that could be making a difference, I suppose. So the next one we're going to do is called Structure. It's this pink one right there. That is very pretty. It's a shimmer And I quite like it actually. Quite like that. Now we have Balance, which is this kind of coppery color. Let's get a clean finger. See how balanced it is. Does it balance out the others? We shall find out. Wow. Yeah. I think I might have put too much. But it's a lovely color. Actually, I really like that. It's very sparkly. My other hand's very sparkly as well. So, as you can see from the pan, I definitely dug into that one a little much. So, I cleaned my arms, my hands, because they were getting, yeah, I wasn't doing very good on my swatches. But let's see if the last two go on better. Okay, so Aesthetic is a purpley plum kind of color. Actually, it's really nice too. I like it a lot. It's a matte, and I actually would wear that one. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty nice. I don't know what you think, but I think it's pretty nice. You know, and that's the thing. I'm a gal of an older generation. You know, the over 50 crowd. And, you know, I don't know if I would use the shimmers, but I definitely do think some of the mattes in here are actually quite nice. I guess we can wear whatever we want. We want to wear bright lime green, we can wear light lime green. But for, you know, work and so on, these colors actually would be very good for daytime, I think. So, Conscientious is the dark chocolate brown in the corner, and it's also a matte. And let's see how that one. Clean finger. That one's chalky, actually, but very nice. Yes, my swatches are terrible. Hopefully they'll get better. We can only hope, right? Anyway, so that's that. That is the palette in its entirety. I definitely liked last month's, but I do like this one as well. So the Protégé Suva Beauty palette, I would say that it's good. And overall, other than the lip pencil, because I couldn't, I mean, I put a lot. I kept trying and trying, and it just wasn't, this color was not showing up on me at all. I'm not sure if other people got the same color and it was good on them. I live in Canada and it's really cold, so maybe the pencil itself is cold. But I can see it on my lip. It's just not very noticeable. I didn't do this Tartist. Actually, we should try that. Actually, I can swatch that. My daughter touches my hands all the time. Not sure if you can see the sparkles in it. It's quite pretty. That's weird. It's kind of yellow in the top. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Don't generally buy this stuff, so I'm not sure how it's... It smells sweet like chocolate. Yeah, it smells kind of nice actually. So that is the December Boxycharm. All told, 30, 60. Gonna add that up. Okay, got out my trusty calculator, and it appears that everything that I got was worth $118. And of course I paid $36, but that's because I know the United States people pay $21 plus delivery. I have to pay it in Canadian money, so they take the American and change it into Canadian, so I paid $36. But even still, this is definitely all worth $36. Sorry about that. My dog decided it needs to go chase squirrels. She does that daily, 20 times a day, I actually think. Anyway, so I'm gonna say goodbye for now. You know, I'm not gonna really get extreme with this video. Like I said, I'm really just putting it out there so that I have the consistent, you know, November, December, January kind of thing in my playlist. I hope, pray that you subscribe to our channel. Like I said, it's only going to get better from here, right? So I will say, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. Oh, what else is there? Thumbs up. Leave us a comment. And until next time, bye.